If you're an income investor who's been thinking about buying YieldMax ETFs, but you have that analysis paralysis, stop doing that right now and watch this video. I'm going to show you this one ETF that you can invest your money and chill. I'm going to overview of this ETF. I'm going to look at underlying stock that they have right now because this is a fund of funds. And last, I'm going to show you the income projection, how you can make your money work for you. YMAX is Universe Fund Option Income ETF. This is fund of fund. Distribution rate right now is 67, but I'm going to show you the actual distribution I'm going to use in this video. Distribution, the first time they paid was February 20th, 2024. They used to pay month distribution, and then just recently they changed it from monthly distribution to weekly distribution. That's a plus, because this will allow you to compound your money quickly. Fund overview. In short, this fund invests in other YieldMax ETFs, and I'm going to show you composition of other ETFs that they invest in. Primary investment objective is to seek current income. That's the main reason you invest in this one, because you're looking for an income, but you may also use the income to reinvest, and that way you can generate more income in the future. YMAX, it traded on New York Stock Exchange. It was incepted on January 16th, 2024. Gross management expense ratio is 128. Net asset and management right now is 326 million, and NAV right now is 1736. Since inception has returned about 14.5%. These are the top 10 holdings that they have, but I'm going to show you on a spreadsheet the actual holdings that they have right now. YieldMax Universe Fund of Option Income ETF, YMAX. Price right now is 17.55. Intraday trading, there's a lot of volatility, as you can see, up and down, up and down. This fund started about 1980 and right now is 17, so it has lost some money. But what I showed you earlier, if you reinvest those dividends, then this fund right now is up, and the price will be about 23. I'm going to show you on my spreadsheet. With 52-week range is between $15.69 to $21.94. Volume is almost 1 million. If you're interested with YMAX, there are also other funds which are almost similar to YMAX. YMAG, ulty, MSTY, cony, Amazon, qdte. Out of this, of course, YMAG is fund of fund, ulty is fund of fund, MSTY, cony, and Amazon, these are individual stock. ETF, qdte, this is from another company, which is Brown Hill. If you're interested to know one of these ones, I'm going to leave a link below. This is a spreadsheet that shows all the underlying ETFs for YMAX. Right now, there are about 30 of them. We have a stock ticker, we have security name, we have a price, and we have a weight. Technically, the weight here is supposed to be equal weighted. Each one supposed to be about 3.33%, but sometimes they have the round out. Depends on performance of these ETF and how much they've gone down. Microsoft, Moderna, they're all a little bit higher, about 4%. That's something very normal for all these fund of funds. As I've mentioned before, this fund started paying dividends since February 20th, 2024. And they used to pay monthly distribution from February all the way to August. And then from August on, they changed it from monthly distribution to weekly. So here, I have monthly distribution. When they paid monthly distribution, the average was about 63 cents, and altogether they paid 4.44. And then they went weekly, and then distribution when it comes to week altogether is about 126. So if you add this to the price of today, you're getting about $23 per share right now. But all in all, I did calculate, I have an average of 18 cents per share. Using our weekly distribution, which is 18 cents per share, with the price of today, which is 17.55, that will give us annual yield of 53. So income projection for that will be $25,000 is going to give you $13,333 annual income, and that will be about $256 per week. If you want to get more money, 5,000 plus, then you have to invest 100,000. That will give you 1,026 weekly, and that's equal to 53,333 annually. If we put 150, you're gonna get 80,000 a year, and that is gonna give you about 1,538. That's more than 6,000 a month. So I would say for someone who wants to actually put the money today and live off their dividend, I mean 150 will get you 80,000. I think that's enough money to retire in a lot of places in the US or Canada as well. If you go to all the way to 300,000, that's going to give you 160 annual income, and that will be about 3,077 a week. That's a lot of money. So if you do that times 4, that's going to give you more than 12,000 monthly income. Let's go all the way to 500,000. That's going to give you a crazy amount of money, 5,000 a week. So if you are an investor who don't have a lot of cash right now, but you want to invest your money and let your money grow gradually, just invest and chill. This is how you can do it. So now if you put, you have to start with something. You can put $1,000 here, but in this example, I just started with $25,000. And then your monthly contribution, you put 500 every month. And our yield we have is 53%. And remember, this is an average because the yield right now is more higher. It's about 67%. But what I did, this yield is a bit lower because this is an average. And we want to invest for 10 years. This is how much you're going to get, right? Year 1, you're going to get your portfolio from $25,000. It's going to jump all the way to 54 year 2. By 10th year, your portfolio is going to be 1,090,996. That's how you can invest in YMAX and chill. 2 ways. Either you can invest a little bit of money and keep contributing monthly, or you can put a lump sum and get a huge amount of money today. It all depends on the situation right now and your strategy. And this is given that if this fund stays relevant 10 years from now. If you like this content, just make sure you give me a like. And if you don't want to miss any type of updates, this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you very much for watching. Till we meet again on next video. Bye bye.